Good morning, guys. So
good morning.
Welcome back to the channel. Today is our first makeover of 2021.
2021.
And I'm excited about this one because it's finally something for the men. Like, most of the time we do our makeovers and it's kind of, it's dainty and girly or whatever. But tomorrow is my uncle's 63rd birthday. And my aunt decided to surprise him with a man cave. So they have a little room in the back of the house that we are about to be making over today. And yeah, so it's going to be a surprise. Well, not really a surprise. He found out about it, but he still won't see everything until the end. So yeah, so right now we are headed to Home Depot. We just got to get a few things and then we're going to come back here and we are going to do install and reveal. And yeah, I'm excited. And happy birthday, Uncle. Love you very much. And here we go. All right, so we're gonna jump back in time a couple of days. So this is the room before I did anything to it. So I'm just gonna show you guys some quick clips of the paint process. And then I'm also gonna show you a cool DIY that I did for the room. Hey guys, so welcome to my back patio. So I'm here to do the first DIY for my uncle's room. So what I decided to do is a memorabilia box for him. I actually love doing rooms like this because I get to be more creative. It's not a living room or where everything has to be so perfect. You can really kind of just use your imagination and do really cool things. And I think this man cave is a perfect opportunity to do that for him. So my uncle used to do karate when he was younger, and he absolutely still loves it to this day. So one thing that I thought would be really cool to do is a memorabilia box of all of his things. Now, this was many, many years ago, and unfortunately, he does not still have his uniform or black belt or anything like that. But thankfully, there is Amazon. So on Amazon, I found some really cool things that I'm going to put in here, and then I'm going to personalize them for him. But let me show you guys this. So it's heavy. Ugh. I found this thing at a thrift store probably about maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and I just never did anything with it. But when I saw it, I'm like, oh my gosh, I really could do something cool with that. So what I plan to do is pretty much what they've done here. I'm going to figure out how to take this backing off, and then we're going to get this photo out of here, and then we're going to display all of his things in here, or what will be made to look like his things, all in here, and then we're going to hang it up on the wall. And I think that'll be so cool to do. So unfortunately, a lot of my clips got deleted in this project. I am not sure why, but we are deciding to do a brick focal wall here in the man cave. We got these panels from Home Depot and they are great. It's a faux brick look, but it is 3D, so it does feel like brick. So much different than flat wallpaper. It really gives you the brick feel, and I like that a lot. So we're going to put this up, and then we're going to do some other quick little projects in here that unfortunately got lost. I'm so sorry, you guys, but I hope you guys are enjoying the video. You will get to see my uncle's reaction at the end and how the room came out.
Normally, we will put this up with an adhesive, but considering the fact that these are renters, we're just gonna put some sheetrock screws in here. That way, if they move and the landlord don't like it or whatever the case may be, we could just unscrew it and take it down. That's the whole reason why we also painted it the same color as the wall, because the wall behind it was a different color. So we painted the whole wall, the whole room the same color. Therefore, if they take it down, it'll still match the rest of the house.
So once I got Bruce on the wall, we were finally done, and now it's time to call my uncle in to see what he thinks.
Wow. Dang. Nice.
Oh my God.
That's real nice. I like it.
Look like it.
I do. Dang.
Oh my gosh.
Y'all did a great job back here.
Oh my gosh. Another Thriller album. I burnt his last one. He
He sure did.
paid it so much.
She wrapped it in aluminum foil and put it in the oven. It's
Oh,
real good.
this is beautiful.
Wow.
This do not look like the same room.
Uh-uh.
Like, oh my gosh. This is so beautiful.
That's not, where y'all find that from? That looks good.
Okay, so listen. You told me what you did as far as your karate.
Mm-hmm.
So I just made you a shadow box. Now I looked and it said that 3-time black belts, they have 3 marks on their belt. So I did that specifically.
Yeah.
So it's just
Oh, this is so
Nice.
beautiful.
And the ceiling fan?
Oh
A
yeah.
new ceiling fan.
Hey.
That's why it's light back here now.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Like it,
I do. Y'all
Happy birthday. It's man cave.
Y'all
Like,
make me not go to
seriously.
work in the morning.